Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the scene. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and put wheel chocks at both trailer wheels. Lower the trailer landing gear until it carries weight so the hitch can lift free. Once done, disconnect safety chains, breakaway cable, and the electrical plug so nothing tethers the trailer. Make sure to inspect the coupler and latch for rust or debris. This prevents binding when you release. These immediate steps free the coupling and protect both vehicle and trailer before you move to separation. You now focus on separation. Raise the truck slightly with the hitch jack or slowly reverse a few inches to take pressure off the coupler so the latch can open smoothly. Then release the coupler latch while an assistant watches clearance. The goal is a clean liftoff. Once the coupler clears the hitch ball, drive the truck forward slowly about 1 to 3 feet to avoid scraping. Make sure the trailer is resting securely on its landing legs, and check for any unexpected sway before moving away completely. Finish by stowing hitch components and securing any detached wiring or brake batteries. You want the trailer safe and ready. If the coupler is stuck, apply penetrating lubricant, slightly lift the trailer with the jack to relieve pressure, and tap the coupler gently. This breaks corrosion without force. Then test trailer lights and brakes after reconnection to confirm function. If you encounter cracked parts, bent latches, or excessive wear, replace them before reuse. This prevents failure and keeps your next hitching operation trouble-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.